Project Coursera, created by Roberto Carlos Pedraza Gómez. Andrew N. Gay Daphne Kuller, co-founder of Coursera, admitted Coursera's mission is to offer quality education accessible to everyone, including people with disabilities. What is it? Coursera is an online education platform founded in 2012 that offers courses and certification in collaboration with prestigious universities and institutions. Course descriptions: courses are taught by certified teachers with detailed content and tests at the end of each section, available to everyone, organized into two knowledge and skills profiles, with versions for small and large groups and corporations. Areas of interest: computer science, arts and humanities, information technologies, data science, health, business. What does Coursera mean? Coursera is an educational and learning platform that offers machine-open online courses. Mood: a piece of history. It began to develop in 2011 at Stanford, and it offers from college courses to masters. Its courses are specially selected to certify professionally at different knowledge areas. About me: even though self-managed learning is not new, the Machine Online open course MOOCs have reinforced the idea that we are learning opening Beijing's and technology help these processes. Purpose: it allows different interaction lines, verticals, horizontals, simultaneous, and asynchronous, but this is relevant. It requires a clear way to achieve purpose and manage time and the available resources. I emerged. Andrew Nadine Kuller is the developer of this platform and showed in October 2011, and it has currently 77 million people start to learn. Economic help available, affordable programs, apply your abilities on practice projects, learn on your own way and time. Homework and proofs approved. Course videos and readings for many of the programs, a college title or experience is not needed. A certification that can be shared after you get it. Get free trial. Download at Play Store. Select language. Select your schedule. Get your certification if you want it. Don't want any longer. Course description. Courses are given by certified professors with detailed content and tests at the end of every section. Available for everyone, organized into knowledge and competence profiles, with versions for small and large groups and corporations. What is the purpose? In the Coursera approach, ubiquitous learning teaches us institutional design and implementation of online courses, also includes advanced activities focused in decision-taking, allowing students to document and evaluate educational programs in matching modality. Vision: education has to adapt to a changing world, integrating mobile technology, and ubiquitous learning. From enriching face-to-face class with teeth to high-flex model, teach model that combines face-to-face and online education, allowing students to choose how to participate in various sessions. It learns for hybrid and flexible every month to respond to new generations. Mission: competence approach design, managing and evaluation of hybrid learning programs combining educational technology, theory, and instructional design with a practice focus for decision-taking. Purpose: it changing and implements educational programs for hybrid education every month. Subjects: health, information technologies, data science, computer science, business, arts and humanities, computer science.